Ever pondered on the significance of nutrition in our day-to-day existence? How it shapes our well-being, energizes our body, and fuels our brain? Well, it's time we dive into the world of nutritional health drinks. Imagine a drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also provides your body with essential nutrients. Nutritional health drinks are designed to do just that. They are power-packed beverages filled with vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that help enhance your overall health. Think of nutritional health drinks as your daily dose of wellness. They aid in boosting your immunity, keeping your heart healthy, and improving your digestive health. These beverages are a perfect blend of taste and health, making them an ideal choice for those seeking a nourishing, refreshing experience. The beauty of nutritional health drinks lies in their versatility. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast aiming for that perfect body, a busy professional looking for a quick health fix, or a parent wanting to ensure your child gets their daily dose of nutrients, these drinks cater to everyone's needs. Furthermore, they come in a wide variety of flavors. From the natural sweetness of fruits to the refreshing tanginess of herbs, there's a flavor for every palate. Now imagine starting your day with a drink that not only wakes you up, but also nourishes your body, or ending your workout with a beverage that replenishes your energy and aids in recovery. Sounds enticing, right? The journey to a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to be tedious. It can be as simple as incorporating nutritional health drinks into your daily routine. So why not give it a try? Experience the power of nutrition with these health drinks. Savor the taste, feel the difference in your health, and watch as they transform your everyday life into a more vibrant, energetic one. Remember, every sip is a step towards a healthier you. So next time you reach for a drink, make it a nutritional health drink. Your body will thank you for it.